everyone, I'm Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a fun unboxing for you guys. I have my new birthday present here that I just bought for myself this past week and I am so excited to open it. I just had to share this with you guys because I'm super excited. So this is actually a KitchenAid mixer, a stand mixer, and if you guys have seen my previous cooking videos, then you know I basically just used my KitchenAid hand mixer, which can be useful, but at the same time, not powerful enough or big enough to conquer those big jobs that I would like to do. So a lot of times I feel like I can't even do like bake cakes and things like that because I don't have the right tools. So this is something I have been wanting, I think, since I got married, which was 13 years ago. So you guys can understand how excited I am about this. So I figured that I would share this with you guys today, and the color that I got, I did ask over on my Instagram what you guys thought, and I think most of you got it right, but I got the ice color, which I believe is the color that Target offers for their 4.5 quart, but I have a 5 quart, and I got this on Amazon, and you guys can shop this particular color down in the description below for you guys. I'll leave my Amazon shop link, and I'll send you right over there, and you guys can shop for this and all the other colors that they have to offer. I can't believe how many colors they have for this particular mixer. It's insane. So I decided on the 5 quart. I had a few people tell me that I should go for the 6 quart, but I honestly don't think I'm at that level yet. So maybe when I get there, then I will graduate to a 6 quart, like the professional type of stand mixers. But I figured because I'm still not at that level, that a 5 quart's probably gonna be just fine for me. So that's what I got, and I cannot wait to open this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I actually got one extra thing too, but I will go over that after I open this. Mostly the reason why I got this color, if you guys can see behind me, my Keurig over there is in that beautiful Oasis color. I got that at Target, and I really wanted to get a stand mixer that matches that color because you guys know I'm obsessed. I mean, even my scissors are that color. So here we go. Cannot wait to see it. Oh wow, it comes with a lot more than I thought it did. Okay, how am I gonna open this? Probably best to maybe do this. Maybe not. All right. Ah, my shirt got caught. Retie that real quick. All right, here we go. So it looks like maybe this way is the best way. I know you shouldn't lay things flat on their sides, but I don't know how else to do this. Oh, this color's gonna be so pretty. Oh my gosh. The picture on the front is so perfect. Oh. You guys, look at this color. If it looks exactly like the color on the box, I might just die. Look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm so excited. Here we go. So it looks like it comes with like a beater type of mixer, and I'm also very brand new to this whole thing. As I mentioned, I've never had one of these in my life, so I have no idea how to use it yet, and I don't have any recipes to try with it. So what I was thinking would be fun is if you guys would tell me what your favorite recipes are to cook and bake with the KitchenAid stand mixer, and whatever I feel like I can handle or sounds the best to me, I will try to do a video using my new stand mixer with one of your guys' recipe ideas. So if you can leave that in the comments below, I will pick one, and then I'll give you a shout out. Whoever I choose, I will give you a shout out on the video that I end up doing. So here we go. Okay, wow. Oh my gosh, this color is so perfect. Yay, I'm so excited. They put this big thing on the top. Ooh, there's a coupon for 25% off. Should have saved that for the other thing I got. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. So it looks like it can make all kinds of noodles. I don't know if it comes with these accessories, but I think these are something maybe you can buy separately. But you can make pasta, like grain, you can shred vegetables, make meat, make ravioli, like drinks. Ooh, there's there's a juicer attachment. That might be fun. There's so many fun things you can do with these. This color is so perfect, you guys. Okay, how am I going to pull this out? How does this come out without damaging it? Oh my gosh, it's heavy. I want to make sure I have it upright. Okay, I don't know how to do this without hurting it in some way. I might have to pause the video so I can do this properly. Oh, you guys. That was embarrassing to try and remove from the box. It is super heavy. So wherever I decide to place this in my kitchen, and I'm thinking this corner over here, it's gonna stay there. And I'm gonna have to bake wherever I place it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Isn't this color perfect? Oh, it's so pretty. This ice color is so pretty. I love it. Go ahead and move these pieces. It comes with so many attachments already. But I am very interested. I'm winded now. I'm very interested in all the other attachments that it shows on this paper over here. It sounds like you can make so many things. So also, if you guys can let me know what is your favorite attachment or what you think I should buy separately, that is a must-have. I'd be very interested to know that too. Come on. Come on. I did it. Wow, this is so pretty. All these little bits of foam everywhere. So this is it. And the head of this thing, I'm not sure how it rotates. Do you lift it or is there a, oh, here we go. Oh, whoa. This is so cool. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's a 5 setting mixer. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 as the high points that you can do for your blending activity. So it comes with that metal mixer in there. And then I also have this splash guard thing. I'm not really sure. Like I said, I don't know how to use this, this whole machine yet, but I'm excited to try it out. So I'm not sure what this piece, what you put in here to go into the bowl, but I guess it's just to protect the surfaces around from getting too messy. And then it also comes with this dough hook. There we go. I've never tried to make bread besides banana bread before, so I would love to give it a shot though. And now that I have a dough hook, I'll be able to actually make stuff. And then there's this, which is like a coated mixer. I'm gonna have to look through my manual and see, what is this one called? I think this one has the scraper though. No. Okay, so there's a lot of other attachments that I would really like to buy. One of them being this, but basically it has a scraper, so it gets everything on the sides of the bowl. So if you're making like mashed potatoes or cookies or something, I want to be able to do that. So I'm gonna have to purchase that separately. But otherwise, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so pretty on my counter, and I cannot wait to see how it looks. And like I said, I'm thinking about putting it over there, but oof. So besides getting the mixer, you guys, I actually found out that if this metal bowl really isn't to your liking, like it's not really to my liking, I think I'm gonna bake with it for sure. But for display purposes, because it is, besides being a kitchen appliance, it's also going to be like my Keurig as a part of my decor, which is why I wanted it to be this gorgeous ice blue color. So one of the other things that I ordered to go along with it, I actually got that from the KitchenAid website because I couldn't find it anywhere else online. So you can actually buy ceramic bowls separately with pretty designs on them for display purposes, plus they also are functional with the actual mixer. So I got a 5-quart bowl, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I think a lot of you are gonna really like it. My whole goal was to get one of those hobnail bowls that are with the Heritage collection that, what's it called? It's a baby blue colored KitchenAid mixer, and it has a hobnail ceramic bowl, and it is gorgeous, but it was not the right color blue for my kitchen. So I was like, what can I do to get the same look or idea without getting that bowl, because they would not sell it to me separately. So I went this route. Here we go. They make it difficult to get these things out of the boxes. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to open it. So it was a tie between getting, I don't know if you guys can even see this from here, but it was that white one on the front there. It was a tie between getting that one or the one that I got. And I got this one. It's called Mermaid Lace. It does not have a pour spout or a handle on it. It's just a bowl. But I thought for display purposes, that would be so pretty. And I love the design on it. So here we go. I'm gonna remove that bowl, figure out how to do it first of all. And then I'm gonna put my new bowl in. Oh, so pretty. And it arrived in one piece, you guys. It looks like KitchenAid does a pretty good job with packaging their materials and your products. So, oh, absolutely beautiful. I love it. So this is my new bowl. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Mermaid Lace. So it kind of has like a fish scale look to it, but it's super pretty and it's white. But I felt like it'll bring out the look of, I don't know if you guys can see all my Rae Dunn stuff, but it's not like super bright white, which is really what I wanted. I wanted something that was a little bit more, here we go. I'll figure this out. So do I turn it and pull it? Oh, I figured it out. So I'm definitely gonna be baking with this because you can wash it and all kinds of stuff. I may look into getting a glass bowl too. I really like glass. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. You guys, do you love this as much as I do? It is so pretty. I gotta come see it, and I gotta see what you guys are seeing. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this super impromptu video. I am extremely stoked with my purchase. It was a toss-up between the ice blue and there was another one, I think it was called Aqua Sky, but it was a darker blue and I needed something to be this gorgeous ice blue color, and it looks like it's gonna be a perfect match. So I think what I'm gonna do is bring this over to my Keurig, or my Keurig over to here, and you guys can see the color difference because I think it's basically the same. I know a lot of people have that same Keurig, so here we go. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a side-by-side look at the Keurig versus the KitchenAid stand mixer in the ice blue color. So this is the Target color Oasis, and this is the ice blue color by KitchenAid. So I literally, like up close, there looks to be no difference in color. If anything, I'd say this one is just like a smidge more blue, but they literally look the same. So if you guys are looking to do a matching pair like I did, then this is the colors to go for, and I will leave the link for my coffee pot down in the description below for you as well, along with the KitchenAid stand mixer one. And I can also link to you guys to the website for KitchenAid for the Mermaid Lace bowl, because it is so gorgeous, you guys. And it is a gorgeous pair with the KitchenAid stand mixer in this color. Okay, you guys, so this is my current setup in the corner that I want to have my new KitchenAid stand mixer. And I love my spice rack. I'm not really sure where to put it now that I'm going to be putting the stand mixer right there, but maybe I'll just move it more over here. But then I have these antique bowls. I have this gorgeous little aqua colored hot pad. I have my super cute napkin holder, which I also got on Amazon. If you guys like that, I'll also add it into the description below for you guys. You can shop through there. I've got my little ironstone pitcher, and then I also have my mom's kitchen Rae Dunn jar that my friend Grady's mom on YouTube got for me. So I am going to do some rearranging and then I will show you guys what I decide to do with this corner. Okay, you guys, so I just did a very quick rearranging and I am sure, almost positive, that I will be rearranging this again, but maybe you guys can give me your input down in the comments below. Where do you think I should move this machine? Because I love the color and I want to be able to see it a little bit better, I think, but I think even in the corner there it looks really pretty and that bowl is just perfection. I love it so much. See what I mean, you guys? I already changed it up. I decided instead of having my bowls and things right here that I was going to put my little bird napkin holder there instead, and I really like that better because the creams bring out the white of the bowl and my little ironstone pitcher over there. So I think for now, this is probably how I'm going to have it set up, but definitely comment down below and give me your opinions too. Thank you guys so much for joining me for unboxing my birthday present. I cannot believe I am turning 33 this year, but this kind of helps make me feel a little bit better about aging. But I know it's gonna get a lot of use and I cannot wait to hear all the recipes you guys think I should try. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what your favorite recipes are to make with the KitchenAid stand mixer. Don't forget, I'll be picking one of those to actually do a video with, and I will be giving the winner a shout out on that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.